Hello, in this lesson, I'm going to introduce you the types and structure of Chinese characters to help you to learn this language. First, let's have a look of the difference between the two languages, English and Chinese. Let's take the sun for example. In English, from the spelling sun, we could know the pronunciation is sun. This kind of language that letters can represent the speech sounds is called alphabetic language, and English is a typical alphabetic language. On the other hand, in Chinese, the character for sun comes from the image of the sun. So we could know the meaning from the character, but not the sound. And this kind of language that each character represents an idea or meaning, not just a pronunciation or sound, is called ideographic language. And Chinese is a typical ideographic language. So unlike English, each Chinese character has its own meaning, and the Algonquin script are considered to be the earliest forms of Chinese writings, and they are also the basic elements of Chinese characters. Now let's have a look at the characters we have learned and the corresponding Algonquin scripts. 日 sun, 人 person, 木 tree. All these characters evolve from the image of the objects, and they are called pictographs. Pictographs are not enough. They cannot express abstract ideas. For example, people use different iconic forms to distinguish above and below, 上 and 下. When the line is above the horizontal line, it is 上 above. When the line is below the horizontal line, it is 下 below. These kind of characters are called simple ideographs. Pictographs and simple ideographs are the basic elements for Chinese characters, and most of them are single characters. To create characters with more complex meanings, people combine different single characters. For example, 名 consists of 日 and 月. 日 means sun, 月 means moon, and together 明 means bright. Another example, 修 修 consists of 人 and 木. 人 means person, 木 means tree. You can imagine a person rest under a tree. So 修 means rest. And these kind of characters are called compound ideographs. Now let's have a look at last category. We'll take he and yang as examples. We can see that both of them have the same radical on the left, which indicates water. So he and yang are related with water. He means river, yang means ocean. And the right part of the characters have the same pronunciation or similar pronunciation. So these kind of characters, they are the combination of meaning and pronunciation, and they are called semantic phonetic compounds. Around 80% of Chinese characters belong to this category. Okay, now let's have a summary of the types of Chinese characters. Today we introduce 4 types: pictographs, simple ideographs, compound ideographs, semantic phonetic compounds. The first 2 categories are mainly single characters, and last 2 categories are mainly compounds. Okay, hope this will help you to learn Chinese characters. See you next time.